Hi everyone and welcome back. If you are looking for a new piece to update your living space, check this out. Overall size with 206 centimeters, height 87 centimeters, armrest 67 centimeters, depth 80 centimeters, and seat depth 60 centimeters. First impression, well, the cushions are large, but they are not what you might call firm. The feeling inside is not particularly dense, and you get two pieces of cushion. The fabric, made from polyester, feels smooth to touch. Overall, it looks cozy, and I am definitely curious to test it out. Now the armrest. It's a bit on the thin side, not exactly what you would call luxurious. As for the frame, it's crafted from a mix of fiberboard, plywood, and laminated veneer lumber. You can check the details at Ikea website. Something cool about this sofa? The end piece. It's actually detachable stool with rounded shape. The legs are made from polypropylene plastic, which keeps things lightweight. And here's the kicker. There is hidden storage underneath. Great for stashing pillows, blankets, and other items that you want to keep out of sight. And the mechanism? It feels strong and solid. Here, you can look at the details. Alright, enough with the specs. Let's try this. Sitting on this sofa, I would say it's neither too stiff nor too soft. It has a nice balance. Not bad, right? It feels pretty standard, comfortable, but not the most luxurious. But here's where I'm a little picky. The cushion is not firm enough to support my back in a way I like. For me, it's a drawback, especially if you are going to be lounging for a while. The armrests, they are just too narrow. I wish they can make it wider and bigger. By the way, the height is perfect, not too low or high. One thing I do like is the sofa size. Two people can sit here comfortably. Maybe even three if you count the detachable section at the end. For your information, my height is 165 centimeters, and I can lean in here without problem. Don't forget to use additional cushion. The width is decent for me. If you remove the cushion, it becomes 80 centimeters, which is more than enough for most people. And it's great for bigger person. Finally, this part is fixed. You cannot remove it. Here's where things get interesting. This is not just any sofa bed. It's multifunctional. If you want to mix things up, you can transform it into a chaise lounge. Just open the hidden storage, lift up the seat, and you will see two brackets. Pull them out, slide the piece onto the sofa, lock it back in place, and voila! You got yourself a comfy chaise lounge. The whole process is simple and it only takes a minute. This is pretty good. I like it. It feels pretty cozy. The size and length is good for me. What's even better is that you can choose to place it on the left or right, depending on your space. And anyone can do it, because it is simple and easy. And if you don't need the chaise, the piece can double as a stool or even a coffee table. It's versatile and practical, especially for those who like things neat and tidy. There is three things you should know. First, you can remove and wash the cover, which is great, but the seat and frame, not so much. You will need to clean those areas differently. Second, there is something odd with the seat. One side seems to sink in a little, while the other side feels fine and firm. It is hard to say whether this is a defect with the display unit or a common issue. Third, I noticed a crack underneath the frame. Not sure what's that about, but it's worth keeping an eye on. Color options, multifunctional design, sofa, chaise lounge, stool, and coffee table. Hidden storage, wide and spacious enough for two people. Cushion lack firmness and support. Seat cover is not removable. It can get dirty over time. Durability is still unknown. So what's the final verdict? Ikea Lindakra sofa bed comes with a price tag of around 440 US dollar. If you are in the market for a sofa bed that doubles as a chaise lounge and offers hidden storage, this could be a solid choice. It is wide, spacious, and surprisingly versatile. However, there are few things to consider. The cushion is not ideal for those who need extra back support. And since you cannot remove the seat cover, it might be prone to stains. The closest competitor is IKEA's Konaback, which offer lower price and good comfort. It all comes back to your own preference. The choice is in your hand. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about IKEA's Konaback, I will leave the link in here. See you later in the next video and bye bye.